welcome back to another vlog, guys. So y'all doing? I hope that you guys are in good health. People, road to 1k. Yes, as I start the vlog, me I said that road to 1k. I look naked, but my necklace bust off. I really forgot buy back a necklace. The necklace bust off. We need one. It's stronger link because I want to. If I breeze blow it bust off. I have it over 2 years now, so big up. I get it pan Temu. Yeah, tell me with the bad pan. But welcome back, guys. As you're seeing this, a vlog is live, so go ahead and watch that, check that out. That's the first vlog for this week, and tonight we're doing a girls night out, so you're gonna see later on in this vlog, you're gonna see all of that. I want to do a get ready with me, people. Every single time I plan to do a get ready with me when I go out, I never yet do it. But I don't know, something about my face so good. I did my makeup today. I'm going to talk back, you know, because me I go tonight, Mr. Lord God. Me are one of them person that will have makeup for a good while, for years, and I don't use it. Till all, right now my makeup brush I have stronger than enough in a relationship. Till all the makeup them dry up on me and stuff like that. Watch the police say I'm sexy, I have to say that one about it. I love a man in uniform. Anyways. Why murder? Police and thief officer. Anyways, this is how my hair looking. In the vlog when I go watch now, you're gonna see my neighbor they do my hair, so I beg off just put on back the wig for tonight for me just you know, do the girls night out. Me and wig don't go together good. Like I prefer a glueless wig, but once it glue down, the glue itch me and everything. Like me and a wig, me and glue wig no go together good, my love. A glueless wig love to see me coming. So I must step out on the road, forget a few items. A popular bank blocked my card because I call them. Yeah, and with instructions they blocked it because I woke up yesterday morning and realized the purchase. Oh, a spit a flight amount purchase was made on my card, and I don't know anything about it. So I said, okay, let me call this people because I get one look at 3 grand shot, one look at 3 grand on the card, and by look them take out stamp duty fee, right? Left me 2099 and some change. Hey, lo and behold, Sunday morning them gone with my money. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Somebody did forgot there today, forgot get the card replacement, but me wake up and that look laundry and stuff like that in the midst of that water gone. So the chaos and the chaotic, so I know I'm gonna get the replacement card and I can't go again because know what? 3 minutes past 3, so I have to go bright and early tomorrow before I put on theme dress. I have to go. This is what we're working with, alright. People, whenever I get a chance to wash off the makeup off of my face, and hey, what a piece of stuff we woke up about to take a picture today. Cause what was I thinking? So I arrive, I'm at Epic and Tappers. The people them on them way, the other girls are on their way. I just feel like it's kind of too much. I'm gonna try to look at highlight with the car. Ooh, wait the chat, wait there, commercial break. What is? I wonder if nobody have wipes. Fuck one. This have to wipe off. What the hell? So the other girls are on their way. I'm early. I'm early, Lord have mercy. I'm early trot. In the shadows of the night lies a wicked man. Run, I say. Run. But yeah, we this this is how we're looking. We're in our romper. As gonna put at it. Well, I'm showing already, right? And the ear and the little bag. Tell you all my fake Landora, cause this is a Pandora. Got bust off just as me I put on. I first I wait now. So I'm wearing a black bag with a black shoe and everything. This is supposed to be on top of the phone, but I don't want it to hide the camera apart. But yeah, this is where it's supposed to be. Epicon is over there. I'm right across the pork house and Millennium Pork. Some of you know me at the west. But me I open the girls I'm coming wipes because my face have to wipe off. What is this? I come out of my yard, you know? Why am I never just gonna you saw me enough? 2 look a bit and yeah, period it say 2 look a bit and enough, man. Cause what is this? Give me a minute, let me pin up this. Alright, so I just finish up on my phone and I'm kind of brightening. So I'm wearing mid rings. I don't know why in my head the outfit and everything come together and gel so well, but now I look like piece of old fat. I say I wipe on my face till it look bad. So Sharika over there, so big body Sharika over there, so the guys, so I want to wipe on my face because I look like fucker.
Take a picture with your friend. Yeah.
Chest side. But let's see if I have a main my chest side. I'm glad still. I can't bother at the bagger. This is what the girl is drinking. I want that. So what's up, boy?
Margarita.
So what's up, margarita? And that is what? Mango. So yeah, Sharika get mango, Kim get sauce. May I get watermelon mojito. So mine couldn't come now and lick. Thank you. Wait a minute. Like this young and this is what we're having. Say hello to my vlog. Hello vlog. Right, you. Wait, get a little wicked. The one piece of Android will pop down. Those are my singing friends. I don't know if you can sing.
So one wine, one 2 more on one margarita. That's what they carry most.
I can't believe you said the people that ooh. People I'm trying shrimp for the first time. How about that Sharika? Wait up.
Chicken and chicken.
Lighting is bad, but
Good fries, remember the fries. Yeah. This is the sauce is nice. You take a steak.
I'm barbecue jackfruit.
Let me see some.
Yeah, you can. the day after the girls' night out. It was a lovely night. You know, catch up with my girls and stuff. It was so good to see them. It's been a while since I hung out like that. A while. Let me go show me here the river. When she Annie, I want her fuck another day. I say, any bring me a river when I'm on the water, watch me and you. Eh? I don't know. I never come here before. I see how they get to stay. What the river name? What the fuck you come on river, I don't know. It look nice though and very inviting. More and peace. What you say? No and people. What a backside got the river and the woman said, come out of my yard. Hurry up now.
Take up the appetite.
You know that then. You don't wash your hand. You're nasty like a dog. That's why I'm an M for people, you know. Are you church this? Are you church this? No. You have more? Don't ask me nothing. You have more? Don't tell me shit.
Alright.
The river looks so inviting. Imagine right there so. For me, I want to find my phone. Look on that. Oh my god, people look at that. And one thing though, the river that me find always I go include them walk down here. People come here for walk. It's like the river solely say you can't just come and relax and like a... I can't swim.
Okay.
I can't swim. The water deep? under the river.
One time. When I'm a real bad girl, them pop up and link me. Say she wants, she said she know we on the way. Say she want a big thing on the bed. What's up, big thing on the bed? Put her legs in the election delay. The community can wake up, what I can't afford. Whenever we forget of his content.
Come back from the river. I got the river water cool and nice. I got charge my phone and stuff and get something to eat. And I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. So we reach the spot to get picked up. So I'm actually just waiting on the ride to come and pick me up. This is the old outfit of the day. That's the old TV. But I have this top on my shorts. So I'm stand up my show. I don't you guys can hear, but I'm stand up my show now. So I got picked up, guys. Actually, there's something I can't make complete. Oh, I'm scared. This is the outfit of the day. You know, the belly outside, the short shorts, and this. You know what I say? Gone are the days when girl did have no swimwear. No, me if you struggle a piece of swimwear together. That's not my life. So you know me I go to right now. When I come out for the vlog, I go for a sheet. Oh wait, I need to cash them out. Cause them either my cat sitting for a long time. But you soft swimwear if me I go fire beach for one day I can change, you know. No, shame I kill me. Actually when I get old, so you know when you're adult, it kinda difficult for. But I not like hungry beat the dog bad. People, why? I don't know what I'm going to go on. I said I'm going to go in the vlog today and then do that vlog here separately and go by Saturday. But I'm not going to get the vlog them in a one. The girls' night out, which we never get catch you with that, we never get video everything, and then the river I'm going to go yesterday at Garden Town, and then today Portland. So yes, so now I get everything in a one. What about? How far you that travel for love? Why foot bottom thing? Now where do the foot bottom? Oh my god. I see my favorite. Oh man, give me joy. I want somebody boy. Pump that the teacher can go with teacher day. It's just, some of them people and it's not even father now go funny. Emancipation later.